Hello, my name is Larry Gallagher, Deputy Superintendent for Finance, Facilities, and Operations for Berkeley Schools. And today I'm going to share with you some information regarding our Return to Schools plan and the cleaning and disinfecting approach that we will be taking to keep our students and staff members safe. I think it's important to distinguish cleaning from disinfecting at this point. So cleaning, which will happen at the back end of the day, here we're talking about vacuuming, emptying trash and recyclables, mopping the restroom floors, cleaning fixtures, wiping surfaces and dust from tabletops and flooring, cleaning restrooms, the fixtures and the urinals and sinks, those kinds of things. That cleaning work is going to happen at the back end of the school day. So when the afternoon students and the staff are gone for the day, they've headed home, that's when that cleaning will be done. The disinfecting is going to be happening at that time as well, after the cleaning in the evening, but it will also happen during the 90 minutes between the AM and the PM sessions. Our head custodians, we've tested this already. It's doable within 90 minutes. We'll go into each classroom and common area and disinfect the areas using a BioWolf or a Victory sprayer. That's the piece of equipment. They're going to be using BioEsk is the product. It is very safe. It's thyme plant-based, very eco-friendly, environmentally friendly, non-corrosive, biodegradable, kills the virus in 4 minutes. That will be applied during the 90 minutes at each of the classrooms. If in fact we need additional staff to help with that, we've got them queued up. So we are very confident in our ability to do that disinfecting during the 90 minutes. We've got ample inventory of our BioWolves and our Victory sprayers. Every single custodian, we've got 30 custodians throughout the district, has a BioWolf assigned to her or him. The BioEsk product, we've got at least 3 months worth of supply at any given time, so we're very confident in our ability to apply and have the inventory over the course of the next several months, and we'll have an ongoing replenishment of that inventory as the need be. And at the end of the cleaning, the same disinfecting process I just mentioned is going to happen again in the evening, so that when the students and staff members return the next day, the facility, the school, the classrooms will be clean and safe and disinfected for another day's worth of instruction. First involves our restrooms. We had the opportunity to connect with the Oakland County Health Department and school nurse assigned to Berkeley, who walked through our facilities with our principals and our custodians, and some pretty solid takeaways came from that meeting. Initially, we will be alternating stalls and sinks in the restroom. So every other stall, every other sink will be cordoned off, properly signed and messaged to encourage social distancing. Signage on mirrors to remind students and staff members to properly hand wash will be prominently displayed. Hand dryers have been disengaged as well. The idea there is that hand dryers may move around any bacteria or virus. We disengage those, replaced by paper towel. We're proud of the fact that we have a QR code system that records the date and the time and the initials of the cleaner, our custodial professional, who has performed that cleaning over the course of the day. Another measure we're taking involves our ventilation systems, and thanks to the community for passing the 2015 bond issue, every classroom has a new vertical unit ventilator, a VUV, that allows for us to filter the air and condition the air and keep it clean. We have a filtration system. We've actually ramped up our filtration system. We are going from MERV 8s to MERV 13s. MERV is minimum efficiency report value as industry standard. So MERV 13s are the suggested and recommended filter for school settings. VUV systems act by bringing 30% of fresh air from the outside, mixes that with the existing air, filters it through the MERV 13s, and pushes it back out into the classroom to the point where 3 full air exchanges happen over the course of an hour. That happens throughout the day. So we are very confident that clean and fresh air are serving and filtering into our classrooms for our students and staff members. Please know that we'll continue to monitor and assess our safety plan and make modifications as need be so that the focus remains on solid teaching and learning in our classrooms. Thanks again. Have a great day.